Hey guys, today we're making the most amazing mini donuts ever. These are so delicious and so easy to make, and definitely so amazing to eat. These are perfect for kids and look so pretty. They're so soft and delicious. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off by sifting the flour into a mixing bowl. To that, you can add in your baking powder and salt and give that a good sift. Now don't skip this step as it removes any lumps from the flour. Then give this a good mix. Once you're done mixing that, you can add in your butter, milk, vanilla, and your egg. Add in the sugar as well. And then you're going to beat this together until it reaches a super light, fluffy color. Once it's nice and light and fluffy, you can stop beating. And then I'm going to take a tall glass and put my piping bag into this. This will just make it easier to pour the batter into my piping bag. You're going to scoop your batter into this and make sure you don't get any outside the piping bag. Once that's done, you can take your donut maker and switch it on and let it heat up for around 5 minutes or follow the instructions given. Once it's nice and hot, you can snip the tip of your piping bag. And don't forget to spray your machine with some non-stick spray, as this is very important, otherwise your donuts will stick. Then you're going to start piping these into each one of the holes. Now piping these makes it much easier than spooning it. Once you're done piping all of them, you can close it and let it bake for 2 to 3 minutes. Once they're nicely done and brown at the bottom, you can take them out and place them onto a tray to cool. And repeat the same process until all your batter is finished. Now this batter makes around 30 mini donuts. Once all your donuts are done, you can melt your chocolate. Now I'm just adding some boiling water into a pot. And then I'm putting on a bowl on top. Then I'm adding in the chocolate. And I'm taking that over to the stove. You want to melt this and keep stirring it. Once it's all nice and melted, you can add in your oil and then stir until it's nice and smooth. It will become very thin and runny. Once it's done, you can take it off and put it onto a cooling mat. Then you can dip each one of your mini donuts into the chocolate. And let it cool down onto a tray. You can add in your sprinkles if you wish, or anything that you want to decorate with. This is totally up to you, and you can decorate however you wish. And that's it. These are so easy to make and so delicious. The recipe is so simple to follow and definitely the best one. They're so soft and cakey and just so amazing. And look at how perfect they come out. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.